welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, stick around. I'll explain why I am crying in a freaking wreck, and let's get started. Alright, you guys, crusty, nasty, disgusting lips. I'm in a bad mental state, so I'm probably gonna just be a wreck, but so I need this Glow Reviver lip oil in the shade Crystal Baller. It's by e.l.f. I just gotta get something going on these lips. Yeah, I've been crying. I just had a little mental break. A little breaky. We all have them. It's been coming and I just fucking lost it. Like, yeah. Life is not kind. Life has been horrible. I just am so stressed out. What even is this? This is the Moira Cosmic Desire palette. I desire a chance to live my life that I just am never gonna get. But seriously, you guys, I'm not good. I'm not good. I'm not good. I'm not okay. Haven't been for a long time. I try to pretend like I'm okay, but just the pressures of life are way too much for me. Way too much for me. Like my job, outside life, everything. It is just for time's sake, we're going to do the same look, so I apologize. I usually do two different looks, but it can't do it today. So let's start with Deja Vu with that black shade. Had such a good day yesterday. Such a good day. Went out with my husband. Just good day. Good day. Today the demons won. The demons won today. The Sunday scaries. I have a new opportunity, but I'm going to lose all of my vacation days for 6 months, and then I'll get 5 back for the next 6 months, and then maybe like 10 for that next full year. But I think that might be it, and I have a lot more vacation time now. And just the thought of losing that is... my vacation days are the reason that I'm alive. Because... if you're a person and you care like I do, this field that I'm in, let's go to the shade Fancy. What am I doing? What is wrong with me? Everything's wrong with me. Let me finish the other side. Sorry, you guys. But, yeah, I'm just in a very stressful field. And if you care like I do, it's stressful. Unless you have, like, adequate support. And I just don't see how things will be this different in this new opportunity, but... I don't know. The person doing the job now, and I'll probably maybe be taking on a little more, claims that they don't get stressed, but I don't know. I just don't see how that's possible. So yeah. But yeah, it's just stressing me out because I'm losing what keeps me alive and taking this new opportunity, and it won't start for several months. So yeah. All right, now we're gonna go with that shade Fantasy and just blend it out. But yeah, you guys, I don't know, life is just hitting, man. It's hitting, but like not hitting in the heck yeah, this is amazing, hitting in the, oh man, I really need a break. And I've been saying that for a long time, and that break just never comes. And I'm like, I really want to try portrait photography, but I don't know anyone who wants their picture taken. I begged, I pleaded, but I also don't know a lot of people, because like the only people I know pretty much are people that I work with, because my job is like my whole life. So it's hard. But yeah, my husband's like, you need to try that, I feel like you could make money with that, but like I don't know anybody who wants their picture taken, so it's hard. And like I don't really want to go up to strangers and be like, hey, can I take your picture? You know what I'm saying? Like and I don't really have like much of a portfolio to really offer, because I mean, my husband's let me photograph him a couple times, and I mean, those pictures, I like them, but you know, I feel like when you get dealing with like different people, you know, it's going to be totally different, and you don't know what you're going to get. And I feel like but I feel like even if I could just get that's the thing, just any money coming in extra, that would maybe help me to pursue something different. When I say I'm going through it, that's putting it in nicely. Like hell would be a cakewalk compared to what I deal with every single day. And I'm not even joking. Just really hoping this black is like not just crumpling all over my face. But I think it, I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, you guys, life is just brutal, 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 horrible. And like the thing is, like, I've literally been working my ass off since I've been like, first I was in like a 12 neighborhood babysitter, and then I started working at Pizza Hut, and then I was doing that while working for a law firm. So I was like working 7 days a week, going to class at night. Like, I have hustled, I have all the things, and like nothing has really turned out. I mean, yeah, I can pay my bills, but I'm miserable and I'm stressed out, and that's about the extent of really, I mean, I can't go on vacation or I can't afford that. You know, it's like, I don't know. I guess if what I was like, that's what I just told my husband. I know how to make other people rich. I don't know how to help myself. And it sucks because I really need to be able to take care of myself, and I just can't. Let's go with the shade Eternal. But yeah, it sucks, you guys. It sucks, it sucks, it sucks. Like, I just want to be happy, and I'm so stressed out all the time that I can't. I mean, yeah, like yesterday was a good day, but like 1 day out of 7 being happy, y'all, trust me, from someone who's lived that, and some days it's 0 days out of 7, a lot of times it's 0 days out of 7. That's not living. That's not living. That is just in survival mode, fighting. Like, yeah, that's not living. It's not. And I don't know what it's like to live. I really don't. But yeah, it sucks. It sucks. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. So, yeah, I don't know. I just see every day people who are like so successful, and I'm like, why can't that be me? Why can't that be me? But then I'm like, oh yeah, I have like next to 0 free time. I'm gonna be losing all my days off. And yeah, I don't know. I'm not really sure what to do. Not really sure what to do. And it sucks, and like I hate that. Alright, you guys, I am just like feeling like smoky black, like smoke out the lower lash line, like all the things. I haven't done my lower lash line with this brush in a while. Kind of missed it. Kind of feeling it. I do feel like I want to lightly kind of blend that out though with something just a little lighter. Let's go with the shade All For You right here. I like that. It's very, very smoky. All right, lower inner corner highlight. Let's go with the shade Star Whisper right there. All right, you guys, I'm gonna clean a little bit up, do my mascara. I don't even know if I even feel like putting a liner on. I am just like, just wanting something simple, so I'll be right back. All right, you guys, I am back. Trying to keep my bearings with me. It's been a rough, I don't even know, life. So I got this Makeup by Mario. No, Makeup by Mario. What the fuck is wrong with me? You guys, Made by Mitchell. I'm telling you, my brain is like fucking gone. Like, there are no brain cells up here. It's... I am just really not well right now. Made by Mitchell comic case. Here's what it looks like. So I wanted to put like some shimmer or something on, because I didn't do highlighter earlier. I just forgot. So I don't want to mess up, like, because I dipped into the shade with a brush I used before and it kind of messed it up a little bit. It didn't mess up, there's just a little extra little smudge color in there that, so I think I'm going to go with, I just kind of want to see how this looks. So let's just lightly take this brush and do a little dippy dip, a little swirl, and yeah, I'm just gonna tap it on. Looks really, really pretty. I do have to say, everything I've tried, I mean, it's just the curved cases in this comic case, but Made by Mitchell, absolutely, absolutely phenomenal. And then I've got another new product on the face. Let's put a little bit on the nose, just because, why not? And like I mentioned before, this does have a heavy, heavy scent. So if that bothers you, I do not recommend, but if it doesn't bother you, these are great products. But yeah, that scent is strong. Now I don't smell it once the products get on my face, but just holding this up, you can smell it. All right, you guys. I have the Milani Conceal and Perfect Blur Out Skin Tint Stick on today. I've heard great things about it. I think it's doing okay given the fact that I was just like bawling, ugly crying, sobbing. So I think it's pretty good given that. But yeah, life is a lot. So let's do a little If You Know, You Know. And do a little final look-see. Alright, so I do really, really like this look. I know it was quick and just basic and simple, but my mental capacity is just about gone right now. So this is the Moira Cosmic Desire palette. It is absolutely gorgeous. Very, very, very pretty. Here's the inside of that palette. Which way do I need to go? I always get so confused. There we go. Hold that up for a second so y'all can really see it. Alright, so you guys, that is it. If you want to help me out, follow me on the talk. I'm gaining a little faster there than I am here. YouTube is just a beast, man. But don't get me wrong, the talk is too. It is so hard to grow unless you fit that perfect mold, and obviously, like, look at me, I don't. But I'm trying, you guys. I'm trying so hard. But yeah, if you could just help me out, follow me there as well. Just trying to get somewhere in life where I feel alive again and I feel human again, and it's been far too long. So anyway, you guys, thank you for supporting me in this channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. If you've ever taken the time out of your day to watch one of my videos, give it a thumbs up, comment anything. Like, I truly appreciate you so much. Thank you. Remember that you're beautiful, loved, and amazing. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.